Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video where we're going to be going over 3 decent strategies that I use every day to make and pass evals. Obviously, I don't really have an account to trade at the moment, so we're going to be trading. I already get my line set up. We're going to be trading the market open of Tuesday. Last month's Tuesday. Last Tuesday, I don't really know what date it was. I'm not sure. But it was Tuesday. And we're going to be trading. The first strategy we're going to go over is the 5-minute opening range breakout. And that is. This is the 9:30 candle right here. And we'll move this as such. I'm not really sure where it's going to go, how it's going to move today, but I bet you it's going to wick and flip right here. That's a whole lot of support. I bet it's going to be pretty long today. I bet you it's probably going to break it on 3 minutes. So we'll just put this over here until the rest of the candles form, which is 1 minute and 30 seconds. Until we can really look for that breakout. When you're trading the 5-minute, you don't want to be looking for big moves. You want to be looking for small choppy moves. You want to be looking for 5 points, 10 points, and maybe try leveraging a little bit. And when you're trading, you really want to have your ATM set. So if it's moving quick like this, you know that chop, the up down, you want to be able to have your ATM settings set at 5 points minimum, 7 points maximum. And you want to be trading, a couple more contracts, like 5 or 6. And most people take profit, top step. Those 50K accounts, they allow you to trade 6 minis. And we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait for this to we're gonna wait for this to break. So I'm not sure if it'll break it or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As soon as that breaks it, that's why you wait. That's why you're right there. Don't want to get faked out like that. That kills accounts. So we're just gonna wait. Because the initial break of an orb isn't always 100% true. It could easily pull back down in the orb. It could close 3 times above orb and then just plummet right back down to the middle range, back down to, could go to the opposite. It could be up here collecting liquidity to go the opposite direction. So that's always why you want to wait for a little trend confirmation. Unless, see, if I was trading true 5-minute, what I really do is I'd see this right here. I'd wait for the wick down. I would probably buy when I see it coming back up. I'd buy like right here. I'd watch for the wick and flip. If it didn't wick and flip, I have my stop loss super close. So it could treasy up right here. So it's looking like, oh gosh, that's a nice trade right there. And a part of the 5-minute takes a whole lot more experience and knowledge. The next strategy we're going to go over is the 15-minute opening range breakout, which is a lot more confirming and a lot more, long style trades. Short, long, whatever. Because this is probably going to sweep liquidity, probably going to wick and flip right here. I mean, that's the right candle. This is a whole lot of selling pressure right here. I bet you it's going to come down. Probably to my 50 EMA. It's currently trading above. We could see a pullback to this right here, and then a continuation up, which is the 5-minute opening range breakout. Okay, this is like you could have bought right here when the candle broke and it was 5 points in or whatever, and you could be up right now. I would have sold 52 easy. I mean, when you're going, that's 38.52. That's good amount of points right there. I would take that, especially when you're trading the 5 minute. You're not trying to stay here. You're not trying to stick around. You're in there. You're taking your 600, 700, 800 bucks, and you're getting out. And the only reason I say 600, 700, 800 is because you're going to be trading high contracts. You're going to be trading a large amount. It's going to be a scalp. 5 minute breakout is always a scalp. And see, once we find a trade, we see a trade. It's going short.
Order filled.
We're going to put our buy right here. We're going to see if this hits. Needs to come down to right. Oh, it just tapped it. Come on now. No way. Just tapped it.
Order filled.
Okay, so it literally just tapped my buy. Obviously, it didn't freaking hit it, but you know, whatever. Oh, wow. Okay, would have smashed my take profit, but you know, you can never know. But the idea of it coming down and it pulling back up right here, which I thought it was gonna maybe use this amount of buys right here to maybe bounce off, but it's seeming like it might retrace to maybe middle. And that's the whole thing, like opening range breakout. You can either play the breakout, which was right here to right there, just good amount of points. It's a 5 minute opening range breakout. That's perfect. That's fine, but you have to be in and out quick. Take your money. Don't let this happen to you. As soon as this candle formed, rejection. As soon as this candle formed, as soon as it closed right here, I would have taken my money. I would have got out. There's no continuation after this. I mean, maybe right here because of it went red. It could bounce off midline and pop back up, but I'm not sure. But actually, I am kind of sure, to be honest with you.
Order filled.
I'm a little sure about that. We'll put a stop loss right here. Yeah. Is it gonna hit it?
Stop filled.
Alright, so that confirms the continuation downwards. Let's see if it breaks through middle. Breaks through the middle. So this takes us to our 15-minute strategy. This is the more confirming, wait for a long ass time, kind of just sit here and like just kind of hang out, because as soon as this breaks it, it's gonna have so much momentum from going up or down. It could fake out. It could very much fake out. But there is telling, there is confirmation in the 15 minute. It's a much stronger one if you want big 20, 30, 40 point moves. Because it broke through midline. It's under the moving average by a whole lot. So the strategies I trade are EMA or support resistance levels. My most profitable strategy has definitely been the 15-minute orb, 5-minute orb if I'm being super quick in and out. And because, as you can see here, right here, it broke right here maybe. See, it just broke that. It's probably gonna drop. Oh gosh. I'll wait for this candle to close. Yeah.
Order filled.
See, we'll put our buy up here and our stop. Oh, well, I was gonna put my stop right there, but I guess not. I guess we'll shoot for like right here.
Stop filled.
Oh, I just added 10 contract. Okay, let's
Order
parcel
filled.
out.
Order filled.
Oh gosh, okay. So that's what's supposed to happen. That confirming. I mean, this was a crazy drop. What is that 20-point candle? I think we just made back pretty much all of our losses. So that was around a $2,600 trade. Kind of on accident. I didn't really mean to add another 5 contracts. That was a bit of quick moving. And see, when stuff like this happens, 15-minute opening range breakout, see how it's much more powerful. This is probably a pullback. It's probably going to stay in a downtrend because it just broke a low. Let's see what it bounced off of. Order block. Bounced off of an order block. So right here. So this is a key point of support now. I would say that you draw a line right here, that'd be your support level. So you draw, and you just top orb. So we're trading under orb, and you always remember that you're under orb. So there's going to be a whole lot of selling. And if it breaks back into orb, you're looking for a buy. You're looking for a buy to the middle or a buy to the top. Because the chances of it breaking top, not very high. It very much could. I've seen it happen a million times, but you just don't want to count. You want to count on your trusty 10, 20, 30 point moves when you're trading your 15-minute orb, and when you're trading your 5-minute, you want to put some trust in your 4, 5, 6, 7 point moves. That's what you want to go for. You're not going for anything big, because imagine you went long. Imagine you held from right here. You said, oh, I'm just going to hold 5-minute orb. Big no-no. Big no-no. It's at 5. It went down to 555 from what? 652. That's almost a 100-point move. That's insane. That's insane. And I wonder if people are going to watch this video and remember the Tuesday market open. Because that's crazy. I mean, that's not as crazy as the Thursday dump, which happened 2 days after. Which was like, I swear it moved 500, 400 points that day. It was insane. I couldn't trade at all. I didn't have any accounts open at the time. I was on a, not a losing streak, but I just lost the accounts I was trading. Because, I think I mentioned this in my last video. It was, I had an account open that I was long in, and an account open I was in short in. So, I didn't know that I was long in one account and short in the other account. I couldn't have told. So, I honestly God, I thought I'd closed my long and got out of that account and went to the other account, shorted. I wrote it up, I wrote it down, made 700. No, it was 1,200 in one account, 700 the other account. It was a great day. Great day. I already was up 1,200 from the technical trading day that morning because I traded orb at 6 o'clock and then orb at 9:30. And I did that on both accounts, and I was up, I think, 1,700 in one account and 2,200 in the other account. And they both closed them. I woke up to no accounts. It was bad. I was pretty frustrated, but it's alright. So, the final strategy is going to be Fibonacci retracements. So last swing high. So we just broke the 50, and if you watched my last video, you'd see that I made my 780 off of Fibonacci retracements. It came down here, bounced out to 61.8. So let's go in long.
Order filled.
And it's going to do a whole lot of bouncing. It's going to do a whole lot of crazy stuff. Let's put 5. If this doesn't work out, then You know, I'm not always the greatest at Fibonacci retracements, but we'll see.
Stop filled.
Oh yeah, it just took me out pretty bad. Alright, so it's broken under the 61.8. Honestly, if it broke under the 61.8, the retracement's over. I feel like we could use this information and the confirming of it going down to really
Order
sell it.
filled.
And we'll put a buy order down here. Because there's really nothing under it stopping it from going down, so you know, might as well just keep chugging along. And it is technically in an uptrend. Technically, but if you see right here, broke it. Put a stop right there. Let's see if she works out. Yeah, you always want to short the nice big moves, you know. Because a part of me, it like almost knew that it was going to go down like that. It was going to do something crazy like that. And I wanted to short it. But, see, Fibonacci retracements. When you're fibbing and you draw a short, for example, I was going short. Obviously, I shouldn't have went long. I don't know why I did that. I have it upside down. When you're shorting, you want to have it upside down. So, this is the last swing high. This is the last swing low. You want to put it from swing high to swing low. Swing low to swing high. Vice versa. 61.80. 50% is the ideal. I should have shorted when it got to the 50%. I should have shorted right here. This would have been the perfect entry model right here. Because it didn't perfectly bounce off the 61.8. It didn't perfectly bounce off the 50. But it never tapped the 38. And it never even went past. Kind of went past. I mean, it moved 2 points above the 50. I would have shorted when I saw this right here. This candle break and close back into it. Or another pretty big confirming one, as I would have shorted when this broke its body right here. And it would have came all the way back down. And see, this right here, it acted as support, which is our support level, which is another strategy you can really just incorporate with orb, is support and resistance. So support right here, orb was all the way up here, so it doesn't really matter anymore. But just broke it. If it breaks it, I believe it's gonna drop. It's gonna drop like bad.
Order filled.
We just shorted. We just watched it just plummet. Oof. It could come up. I don't know why it'd come up. I mean, this is a support area. We got into the short to see if it would go down. And you know, all in all, the fib worked. We got a winning trade off the fib. We got a winning trade off the 15-minute. Did we get a winning trade off the 5? I think we got a winning trade off the 5. And all of that gone.
Order filled.
Take a nice little $2,000 loss. And those are the 3 strategies that I wanted to go over today. I will have the 5-minute orb strategy in my bio if you want to check that out. Alright, that'll be the video for right now. Have a great day, guys.